Welcome to the library orientation for public health students from the Himmelfarb Health Sciences Library. My name is Paul Lovett. I'm one of the reference librarians. There are some things that might help for you to know now. Our library website, himmelfarb.gwu.edu, allows you to search for articles and books using the search box at the top. You can have links to popular databases under popular resources. In the center of the page, you can browse our research guides and find out what we have on various topics. At the bottom of the page, there's a link to the apps you can download on your phone. When you click any of the links on our library website, you ought to be prompted to sign in with your NetID and password. This is the same login as you use to get into your GW mail. If you forget your NetID, you can go to the Identity website to retrieve it or reset the password. As a GW student, you're entitled to download various free software from the IT website, including the full Microsoft Office suite and Adobe Creative Cloud, and the SAS Statistical Analysis package. To search for a textbook, use the search box at the top of the library website. For example, this search is on Essentials of Health Policy and Law, and you will see the different records that we have for our print edition. That's indicated by where it says it's available in our library book stacks, but also the online e-text edition. For the apps you can download from your phone, this is a mix of productivity apps such as annotation software, clinical point-of-care tools, and some useful campus tools such as the GW PAL Campus Safety app and the We Print app that allows you to print from your mobile device on campus. Your instructors will prompt you to cite peer-reviewed resources. Peer review is a process a journal article or textbook chapter goes through before publication. You can tell if an article is peer-reviewed from our library website. It'll indicate that it's peer-reviewed. Or you can do a search in a database we have called Ulrichs by the journal name and look to see if it's refereed. Or Google the journal website. Their peer review policy is typically published. There are lots of databases that you can use to search the public health literature, and I encourage you to explore our library research guides to see what databases we have on particular topics, and here are some of them. When you do a search in PubMed and you wish to view the full text, if you click the PubMed link from our library website, you'll see our Find It in Himmelfarb links show up, and those link to our library subscriptions. If for some reason we don't have it, you can do a search for the article using the search box on our library website and sign into our documents to go into library loan system with your NetID to request an item from another library. You can use Google Drive to store your school files. If you're saving regulated data, the IT department recommends using GW Box because the servers are here in the United States. This is an example of some PDFs of journal articles that I've saved to a GW Box folder that I can then share with other people. The IT department uses two-step authentication, and I recommend you download the Microsoft Authenticator app on your phone. It's always good to get a second set of eyes on your written assignments to check for formatting and spelling, and the GW Writing Center offers those services. Later in the semester, public health students working for the Writing Center offer drop-in office hours in the Himmelfarb Library on a couple of evenings each week. You can avail yourself of the GW Academic Commons Statistics Console service if you'd like to talk with a statistician. Here in the library, we provide access to SPH software on 3 computers on the 3rd floor. If you'd like your own copy, you can buy a licensed copy of this software from the GW bookstore. I encourage you to explore our library tutorials that we've uploaded to our YouTube channel, including how to do a successful literature review and tutorials on some of our popular databases such as RefWorks. RefWorks or Scopus. When you think about the totality of evidence that you'll find searching in our databases, the evidence-based pyramid helps to summarize what you might find. There's an awful lot of laboratory studies and basic science research reported, fewer clinical trials, but those represent higher levels of evidence. Systematic reviews at the top of the pyramid are a lens through which the totality of the evidence base can be viewed. GW offers RefWorks as a tool for managing the citations that you find in searching multiple databases. You can put them all in a RefWorks folder and keep them in one place. I'd like to put in a plug for our institutional repository. If you present a poster somewhere, give us the PDF and we'll put it into our repository and give you back a link that you can then share on a resume. Biomedical Communications is the department here at the School of Medicine that can put together posters for you, and their website also offers poster templates. Our library is in Ross Hall. The building is open all the time. Feel free to contact your library liaison for your department. Thank you for your attention. Please complete the session feedback survey.